another special video for you.
And we got a special guest today.
Again, it's my sister.
Me. And the one and only.
Okay. My twin sister, Morgan. Well, actually you guys may only know her as Twin. But today we're going to give you guys the 5-minute makeup challenge. And I'm excited. I don't know how this is going to be because we both
thought we were doing the no mirror makeup challenge today.
Excited.
Prepared to look like a disaster after this.
But I'm excited for this
now I have
video.
no excuse.
Are you ready?
Oh!
We need to start a timer. You want to use your phone?
I'm gonna play music.
Why are you gonna play music?
Fine.
It's gonna be copyrighted. What kind of look are you
I was
trying
just about to say, what are you gonna do?
I may do like a natural, well not natural, I don't know, fuck. We're gonna learn today.
Yeah.
Where's my Anastasia, my partner in crime?
I don't even know how
Oh,
to make a
and
palette.
I know it may be kind of different, and I'm still trying to figure out this damn tripod like height. But if we're like looking up, or y'all probably looking down from it, you know what it looks like. Oh shit, it broke. I got a new tripod. And it's a hell lot,
It's
you
nice.
know, taller. But I'm still trying to figure it out on like what height I need. But I mean, this is gonna be
I'm
like,
gonna use this. I'm gonna use these.
yeah, this is gonna be like the little tester, but it does look kind of high. But like I said, I'm just gonna go with the flow with this video. But yeah,
I want to do glitter.
are you serious?
Yeah. I've never glued on lashes before.
Well, we're gonna try today. Where did those other ones go?
The ones that I peeled off your fucking
Yeah.
table. Oh. Why is my
I
heart
don't
racing
got
now?
time.
Fuck.
Hold on.
No, we already started.
Oh no, I'm gonna zoom it in a little bit.
Oh.
There we go. Oh shit. Damn, I'm already like out like 20 seconds. That's weird how you like start on your brows and shit first.
Cause it's the easiest part.
Let me put my hair up for this. I'm just my partner in crime, my ABH Soft Glam palette, and this is the Wet n Wild brow pencil. Cheap ass Wet n Wild.
No, because I have the Anastasia one, this right here. What is this? This is Anastasia. This is some... Oh, this
Hurry up,
that's
Twin!
my, that's my Korean one I got.
Alright, so I'm going to do burnt orange and raw sienna together
Piece of bitch.
and put that in my crease.
Fuck! I don't even have... You know what? I'm not even
With
going
some of my brushes. Put them in the middle. Ah.
Looks like a bunch of freaking weird shit.
Okay, so next color I'm gonna take is Vermeer. And I'm gonna put that all on my lid. Oh fuck.
What the hell is this?
If you guys hear that, it's the elevator. Our studio is inside a building, so. God damn.
I'm completely butchering this. I don't even have the right brushes with me.
Nigga don't got brushes.
Can I use this one?
I don't care. I'm already cleaning them. Oh man. Oh fuck. That's ugly. do eyeliner. Oh my god, we're 3 minutes down.
Oh, fuck. Yeah. Fuck. Guess I ain't doing what I wanted to do today.
Right,
Fuck it. I'm gonna get a little bit of glitter in here. Yeah, I'm not long time.
Damn, my eyeliner is trash.
You know what? Fuck that.
We don't have time for primer, but fuck it. I'm just going to go in. Shit.
Yeah. Twin, we have.
I'm just cheating because I'm using a brush. I put way too much on. Way too much. Look at this.
Oh, fuck. I just nailed your fucking concealer.
That's not mine.
Is this mine?
Yeah, I never had an elf. Oh shit, it's blurry. Okay.
Fuck. 5 seconds.
What? We didn't.
Stop it, twin. Okay, it's 5 minutes. Damn. Okay.
What the hell?
That was not no damn 5 minutes. Well.
Did we really just spend that much time on your eyebrows and my eyes?
No, my eyebrows quick as hell.
Oh my god. Well, let me see.
Mine's not even finished. Yeah.
Let me see what yours look like. You didn't even get foundation.
I know, I didn't get shit done.
I got fucking highlighter on my eyebrow.
You still need to like blend. Yeah.
Hold on, it's focusing. And they can't probably see because it looks bright. But I got fucking highlighter on my damn eyebrow. This one right here. You see my nose?
Yeah.
You see like the brush marks? It's not even fucking
It's right
blended.
here too.
Where? Ah!
I just got my eyebrows.
Que pasa?
Fucking mascara and shadow. I didn't get shit done. Usually I'm faster. I didn't think that was no damn 5 minutes. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and finish my makeup though really quick though.
Ew. Wait, hold on. How the fuck do you hold it?
Like a fucking pencil?
Oh.
That just felt bad, twin.
Damn, fuck.
Bitch, fix me. Make me pretty.
Alright guys, so that is it for this 5-minute video. We kind of went crazy afterwards when I tried to do her eyeliner and tried to do my brows.
They're probably like, all of a sudden now she has eyeliner and you have, in the right here looks like one darker eyebrow.
Eyeliner.
Yeah.
But that is it with this video, the 5-minute makeup challenge with my twin. I really hope you guys like this video, and if you do, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, go ahead and
subscribe for more.
Go ahead and like and subscribe for. Hey, your jacket gonna be filled with fucking makeup. But I really hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video, and we will go ahead and see you guys next time in the videos.